Well, some Aynsley bone china trios in the Pembroke design, one of their best-selling and a reproduction of an early 18th century design. These are late production pieces from the period when they were actually advertising it as a reproduction of an 18th century Aynsley pattern. And you can see green china marks on here, fine English bone china with the Pembroke design. I'll show you the side plate, which is even more detailed scroll design factory mark. Pembroke's is very nice, floral chinoise inspired with bluebirds in foliage design, which was very popular. Beautiful moulding with this little rat tail scroll around the handle, gilt rims, gilt inner lineage, a D-shaped squat teacup. It's slightly shorter than the earlier ones that they were making in the mid to late 20th century, so do check the diameters on these. They are squat versions of the D, and the saucer is slightly a size down on the earlier production pieces, so check your measurements. Let's have a look at that side plate and saucer, because just look at that beautifully. This is why Pembroke was so popular during its time. It's such a very beautiful combination of colours and design, spread entirely over the surface of this little plain 5.5-inch saucer. Quite a simple design, not a lot of moulding. The transfer print is palpable, nice and thickly applied, and it's in absolute mint condition, again with that period green Pembroke reproduction of a 18th century design. And here's the side plate, 6.25 inches I think from memory, but do check the measurements. Again, beautifully transfer printed and in absolutely mint condition, not a scratch on it. And here we go with the full Pembroke scroll marks on there, again with green Aynsley china crown marks. Lovely trios, beautiful condition, absolutely as they were when they left the factory. Not particularly old, last 10 years I would guess of the 20th century through to 2005, 2010. These could have been sold out, still in stock, but production on Aynsley Pembroke, I think, if my memory serves me right, ceased in the year 2000. So some very fine trios. We've got 6 of them going on sale this afternoon, and we've also got some dessert plates, some larger, I think 8-inch looking at them, Pembroke plates, which are going to be, I think, very popular. They're also same date range as these with the same china marks. We'll pop a link in the description taking you through to these trios. Thanks for watching.